Awareness Science Grade 2. It's science lecture time. Assalamu alaikum students of grade 2. How are you all? I hope you all will be fit and fine and enjoying good health. I am also fine, Alhamdulillah. Welcome to our science class. It is our science lecture time. I'm your teacher, Miss Sobia Jamshed is here from Umul Public School, Junior Branch MTC. As today is Wednesday, 13th January 2021, our today's topic is using electricity. As you all knows, we have done all the exercises of this chapter almost. Today I am going to do the giving a presentation about safety rules of using electricity. It is our class assignment, students. Presentation of safety rules will be shared. It is our today's task. The purpose of this presentation to follow the safety rules about the using electricity. Safety while using electricity. General safety tips. Students, here I am giving you some general safety tips. General safety tips. Switch off all plugs when not in use. Be careful while using a water heater. Electric geyser should be switched off when not in use. Oven and microwave should not be left running without supervision. Always handle electric appliances with dry hands. Do not use a hair dryer in the bathroom. Do not cut and make adjustments to electric cords. Switch off all electric supply when on a vacation. Switch off mains in case of a fire. As you all knows, there are sockets in our home. We all have sockets in our home. These are the sockets, and do not overload an electric socket. Overloaded mean we should not put more plugs, one to more switch into electric socket. Do not put anything else inside the sockets. Sockets should be protected with child guards when not in use in households with small children. Okay, students. Electric safety. Do not bite the wires under the electric with wire cutters. Do not touch electrical appliances or wires with wet hands. Monitor the humidity in rooms where there is electricity. So, you must take care, be safe. Parents should educate their child about electric safety rules. Do not leave your child unattended in a room where an electric appliance is switched on. Discourage your child from any kind of dangerous games that involves electricity. Now come on our book page number 177 where safety rules are mentioned. So we should remember these safety rules while using electricity. As you can see, here is a boy touching the board, touching the button, touching the socket. So dry your hands when using electricity. It is wrong. So next one is don't put anything into wall socket. Number 3 is never connect wires to a socket without plug. As you can see, here is a wire without plug. We should never connect wires to a socket without plug. Now come on our next page. Never connect wires to a socket without plug. It is completed. Now don't use machine that has broken wires. As you can see, this is the broken wire, so we should not use machine that has broken wires. And never put a metal object into an electric machine. As you can see, it is an electric machine, so we should never put a metal object into an electric machine. It can be dangerous for us. Last one is the do not put too many machines into one socket. It can be harmful, it can be it can be dangerous for us, so don't put too many machines into one socket. Is it clear, students? The purpose of these safety rules is to be careful about when we using electricity. So it is our home assignment. Learn safety rules from page number 117 of book. You will learn these safety rules, and you will learn the spelling of also these safety rules. Okay students, inshallah tomorrow we will meet with our new lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day.